The head of a regional Victorian health service has resorted to standing on the side of a busy highway draped in a sandwich board in a bid to draw attention to the desperate need for healthcare workers. West Wimmera Health Service Chief Executive Ritchie Dodds was last week photographed outside Nhill Hospital wearing a sign that advertised the need for more health staff. "I just quickly put together quite a large sandwich board, as we refer to it, and we put that sign on there saying jobs in large red letters," Mr. Dodds said. "The Easter traffic was one of the draws, because there are thousands of cars going past, so we had a good audience." Mr. Dodds said he stood there for a couple of hours, and during that time, people in cars pulled over to ask questions. The picture has also been shared on social media, including the health service's Facebook page. Mr. Dodds said the service had received several resumes. One person, a registered nurse, said, "Look, I feel a bit sorry for you having to do that. Ritchie, here's my resume," he said. He said standing outside the health service with a sign was another way to remind people of the shortage of health workers. Mr. Dodds said the health service needed up to 25 more full-time staff to meet existing demand, but expected that to rise with changes to staffing requirements for aged care facilities. He said a number of the West Wimmera Health Service's aged care facilities weren't at full capacity, but would likely be if they had enough staff. He said staff were also needed in a range of non-clinical roles, including maintenance workers and receptionists. "If it gets us one more person without having to spend on advertising, it was probably worth it," Mr. Dodds said.